good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is our country, Nigeria. These are the natives of Nigeria. They are the tribes, they are the tongues, they are the languages. They are the people that voted in February elections and March elections. Gentlemen of the press, we have come peaceably, peacefully, and for peace at the INEC headquarters. We are here to affirm that Nigeria is one indivisible entity, country under God. We are also here to inform. I want to inform. I want to inform. I want to alert. I want to alert the nation that we recognize INEC as a conductor of elections, not a distributor of victory. We have come to an independent National Electoral Commission to affirm that elections are conducted by an institution called INEC. APC, PDP, NMPP, Labour Party all went into this contest with 18 parties. Let us note that over 90 million people registered. Let us also be informed that they had only 10 million new registers. Let us also notify that there was 84 million voters before 93 million voters. So the fact that people are new voters does not confer on them victory. Election is not spare part business. Therefore, people went out to vote and people won. Some people have been going around the country inciting, calling for a taboo, which they call interim national government. That will never happen, not in Nigeria, not in any African country that we support. America is currently handling insurrection against its own state. So I am certain that America, UK, and all nations will not promote insurrection in our nation. We want to tell you that they have their rights to protest. Whosoever they are citizens with such rights. But they do not have the right to provoke voters. It is a taboo for anybody under any guise, alcohol, or consumption to rise up to call for interim government in this nation when we have INEC. We want to let them know that the same INEC awarded them victory as they won. It is the duty of INEC to conduct credible elections. It is the duty of INEC to bring in ad hoc staffs that applied. It is the duty of INEC to bring materials. It is not the duty of INEC to represent the police or represent voters. It is highest voters scored, not highest shouters counted. Elections were conducted by Nigerians, and these Nigerians include young people, citizens of Nigeria, not citizens of Russia, not citizens of Dubai, not even citizens of Mauritania. It was conducted, people won, and people lost. I want to affirm that Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Kashim Shettima are the two people who scored the highest vote score, as informed to everybody at the collation center. Those votes were counted in 8 million plus, and he was declared winner, having won over 29 states. The race for parliamentary elections has begun already, and we can see Labour Party is already galvanizing. PDP are galvanizing. That is the right thing to do, to begin a process early and begin it rightly. So I want to say to all the politicians inciting people that this is totally unpatriotic. I cannot imagine how the obedience would have felt if they won the election. You do not know how the natives feel. If you want to know, try us on May 29. Politicians should know that PDP won election. NNPP won election. Labour won election. Even other parties won election. And the reason why they couldn't win in certain areas is because they were not strategic with their candidates, either with their vice president candidates or their presidential candidates, or uniting their party, or the differences on their tickets. I confirm to you again that we know, we are informed that Bola Ahmed Tinubu was elected on that particular day. And they are with Vice President Kashim Shettima. President Muhammadu Buhari is the president of the country and is in full control of this country. The National Assembly is intact with Ahmed Lawan and Femi Gbajabiamila.
Tell us, what's your message for INEC?
My message is very clear. My message is very clear. This is one indivisible country, and it benefits nobody that the country goes into flames. We have said elections were won and lost. This particular election, Bola Ahmed Tinubu won. He has called for healing. And because he has called for healing, we as natives, people who voted for him, are listening to his instruction. That's why, again, we are going to wave our white flag. It is a flag for healing in this country. Bola Ahmed Tinubu is already preparing for May 29. And we are all brothers and sisters. And we can all work together and change our country. As far as I'm concerned, leave INEC out of your business. You lost election and be good losers. Go to court if you cannot handle it and wait for the Supreme Court. Don't intimidate the CJN. Don't intimidate security forces. Don't even threaten democracy. And I want to say particularly to Yusuf Dati Ahmed, please apply caution. Dati Ahmed, please apply caution. This is a country. This is not Base University. Thank you.
Okay.
I want to present.
She go talk now. Let's see collect. It's okay, let her stay here.
Let it be known clearly, sir.
Please, let him come out.
Come to the center. I will. Let it be known clearly, sir. Members of INEC, ad hoc staffs, commissioners, security, police, SS, all security agents and voters, international community, and everyone that the result you announced was not an award. It was not a gift. Voters. Now we vote. So we voted. We voted in the villages and not online. We voted because you have not gone online to say we should start voting online. We voted on the field in the polling units.
Voters!
Now we vote. As natives of this country, we want to present our stand and our position. That you should not be afraid.
Yes.
That you gave votes to who was due on the field.
Yes.
Are they ignoring that 16 million people attempted INEC website? What kind of calamity is that? Whether beavers worked, whether beavers did not work, we have done very, very faulty elections in this country. This is the first in the country where souls were preserved, where at least damage was protected. And even our people went out to vote. I want to present this to you. The damage that the obedience did to us, we were very patient during the elections. Our eyes were on the ball and we won the election. They should not try the same with us after this victory. They said we were not rejoicing. We are only waiting to finish all the states and federal elections. Then they will see a carnival from that time to May 29th. Having said that, as the supreme commander of the nation, the leader of over 20 million citizens in this country, we are passing this message to Professor Mahmoud Yakubu. First of all, to thank him for not allowing Dino to provoke him during the coalition.
Yes.
To also thank him for finishing the announcement.
Yes.
To also thank him for keeping quiet so far. We are all citizens, and nobody has monopoly of madness. Having said that, thank you very much.
Thank you for being very responsible in your protests. We want to thank you for the civil manner you have conducted yourselves. I want to assure you, on behalf of the management of Independent National Electoral Commission, that your message will be delivered to the chairman.
Thank you.
He's not going to
pass.
He's not going to pass through any other source. The Director of Security himself will personally take it and deliver it to the Honorable Chairman, who is my direct boss. You can be assured that your message, as has been delivered, will be passed on accurately. And if we have need of getting back to you, we will do that in due course. We want to thank you for the civilized manner in which you have carried out your campaign. We want to assure you, INEC will do its utmost best to continue doing what the law asks it to do, that Nigeria will be greater and greater. Thank you very much.
What's the name? What's the name? Your name and position. Name and your office.
My name is Lebari Sam Ndu, Director of Security, INEC.
Thank you very much. Labor.
Our prayer.
Our leaders rise, help us use the truth to know. In love and honesty to grow, and live in just and true. Great lofty heights attain, to build a nation where peace and justice shall reign. Let
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.